Hi there, O-doers! One of the basics in accounting good practice is that it is required to reconcile payments with bank statements to prove that bank transactions actually match your accounting records. Therefore, we need to register our bank statements in Odoo. You have different possibilities to do so. You can either create them manually, import them, or even better, synchronize your bank with the database. In the last case, the bank statements will automatically be created thanks to the synchronization with your bank account. Let's check it out now. Let's go into the accounting applications to see how to generate your bank statements. So as I was saying, there are different possibilities. The first one is to synchronize your bank account with Odoo to have your bank statements created automatically in the database. So let's add a bank account first to connect it. And you see here, a pop-up appear with the list of all the bank integrations available between Odoo and the bank platforms. So for locally, here you see there's numerous, and I can also click on worldwide. I see the whole list of integrations available. Here, this is a test environment. So as you can see, there are not a lot in locally. But of course, in a real database, you will see all the integrations, which is more than 25,000 integrations at the moment. So let's say I want to synchronize this bank account. And I will try to connect. So when we talk about bank synchronization, we talk about automation. We talk about the ability to do more in less time. But with bank synchronization, we can even go further. And we can say this even if you sleep. Odoo will work for you. So first maybe what is the bank synchronization and how does it work? So the bank synchronization is the ability for Odoo to connect to your bank account, retrieve and leave all your bank transactions and download them directly into your bank journal in Odoo. This is possible on your private and personal current account, and this will happen every 6 hours. Now, let's talk about bank statements. Let me take this example and let me create several bank statements. As you can see, once I put my mouse between two transactions, I have the option to create a statement. So I can create a statement over here, one over here, let's say, and the last one over here. And in this statement, you will find, of course, the starting balance and the ending balance. And what is new, of course, here is that it's here in the, let's say, in the reconciliation tool. So we have a direct view on the intermediate balances. But how can it help people to control these intermediate balances? So first, you can contribute. You can also print this statement. So this way, you can also control with, let's say, your bank. Here, by creating the PDF file, so it's quite interesting because you will find this PDF file in each transaction of this statement. So basically, here for the first transaction, in the Discuss tab, in the attachment, I will find the PDF file with all the related transactions from my statements. And to control that, everything is fine. But here, as you can see, my bank statement is in gray. Let's take a simple example by just deleting one transaction here up. We delete it and now you will see that my statement is in red. And by clicking on the buttons, I will also have a warning message indicating that the running balance is different from my ending balance. The difference is of course the transaction that I deleted. Let's use again my missing transaction option. Fetch it and retrieve the transaction that I deleted on purpose here. And of course, here it's not imported in my statement, but if I report it in my statement, up my statement is in gray again, and everything is valid. Let's go back to the dashboard. As you see in my ING bank journal, I don't have the features showing me to create or import. That's because if we check out the configuration menu here, we have chosen in the bank feeds feature the automated bank synchronization. So if you put it in the undefined, you will see all the possibilities rather than to check out the import or the automated. You will only see one of those. If I save and I go back to the dashboard, as you can see, the magic has happened and I have the create new transactions and the import file possibility. You see also the possibility from the toggle menu here to import and to create new transactions if you want to. That's it for me in this video. Don't forget to watch our related video bank statement and reconciliation. And make sure to read our online documentation for more information on bank synchronization. Thank you for watching.